Hello guys, and welcome back to Jenny's crypto class. In this video we are going to look at Klink eligibility requirement 4. The requirement 4 is 9, which is the wallet connect. So you need to connect your base network in your Klink app. So if you have not met all other criteria, you need to do that right now. The first criteria is to link your mobile app to the Klink app, and the second one is to earn future offers. You need to earn future offer at least minimum of $1. And the third requirement is activity in the last 60 days before TGE. So you must be active in the last 60 days before TGE. And the fourth requirement, which is what we are going to do today, is the ERC20 based wallet address provided before TGE. So you need to connect your ER20 base wallet address before the TGE. So this is the fourth airdrop eligibility requirement. Now we are going to go to the Klink app to do this right away. Look at what they say. Don't forget to add your base network address. That is where the rewards go. So if you do not add your base network address, you will not be able to get your airdrop. They say you can update it in your Klink Airdrop page. Klink Airdrop page. They say jump in now and get it done. So right now you can see that the app has changed a bit. Right now I got a message that I won 0.75. I don't know what I did. Maybe because of there is a game I downloaded on this featured offer. I downloaded a game, but the game was even difficult for me to play. Something like motor parking stuff, that motor park stuff, earning offer. So I did it, and I was not even able to, I have not even played it for one day, but I got a message one day that I've won 0.75. I was like, how, when? Although I have not checked. So right now you can see that we have $Klink here on the downside here. Tap on it. About Klink token, the symbol is $Klink. This is the symbol that we are going to claim, and the total supply is 1 billion. This is huge. 1 billion total supply, and the base network is ERC20 base network. So you must make sure that your network is on the base network. If you click on the utility, look at what they say. The Klink token power the Klink Finance ecosystem, offerings users increased earnings, reduced fees, and exclusive access to brand new opportunity. Token holders enjoy boosted payout, referral rate. Just read it at your own time. So this is what you need to do. So right now, this is how you link your ERC20 base network. To do that, you have to click on this earn more $Klink. Tap on it. So right now, this is the point, connect point for inviting friends, the app point, and the TG point. So over here you can see the eligibility tasks. The first one, they said here, be active in the app during the last 60 days, and you submit your base wallet address. You need to submit your base wallet address. And the third criteria here is earn $1 through future offer. So we are going to submit our base network, which is this one, the last eligibility requirement. So tap on it. Submit your base wallet address. Please submit your self custodial based network wallet address to be whitelisted on airdrop distribution. Do not use your Klink wallet address. Get it from custodial wallet like MetaMask, Rabi, or anyone. So I'm going to use Trust Wallet to connect my address. So right now you can see I already have base wallet on my, look at it, base. This is ERC20 base network. I have it already. But if you don't have the network, if you can't find it already, all you have to do is to click search box. So you need to search for base Ethereum, that's base network. Once you tap Ethereum or you tap base, look at it, you can now see it here. If you tap on the base, you are going to see the Ethereum address. So you can now copy your base network. Look at it here. So what you have to do is just to copy the receiving address. Click on receive, and this is, look at it, only send base ETH access to this address. Other address will be lost forever. So what you are going to do is just click on copy, and you have copied it successful. Then you go back. So you are going to submit the address that we copied here. Make sure that it is under base network, please. Make sure that it's under base network. So you are going to submit the address here. Please, you can use any of the Web3 wallet. Just search for base network under Ethereum. So you click on submit. Base wallet address submitted. At this point, you cannot change it. You have already submitted it, so you cannot change it. And they said make sure you do not use your Klink wallet address. So this is how you submit your base network address on your Klink airdrop. For it to be eligible for the airdrop, this is where you're going to get your token. So if you have not been playing this task, you need to start doing it, because you know the eligibility criteria is that you must earn at least one featured offer, at least $1 through featured offer. So you need to play the games to earn that token. So that is it for this video. If you find value in this video, please do well to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more updates. An important update: I'm currently buying and selling USDT Solana plus all gas fee. If you want to patronize me, reach out to me on my WhatsApp. I'm the admin, then I'll reply instantly. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.